Hello Monday user, you want to chat with your team? I'm Maciej and I'm gonna show you how to make video calls and chat with your team without needing any externals. With my video calls and chat extension, it's super easy. Install Team Video Calls and Chat extension, then go to your workspace, select Add View, select Apps, and select Team Video Calls and Chat. Pick a name for your room, and just start real-time collaborating. When you're done, you still can use the persistent chat with reactions, replies, and file uploads. And there is no limitation on room creation. Create rooms depending on your context like this. So, save your time, avoid confusions, and just click and meet on your Monday.